Imagine being told that one meeting inside the White House could change the fate of the Middle East. Well, that's exactly what reportedly happened. One intelligence briefing, one question from Donald Trump, and within minutes, the United States was preparing to strike Iran again. So, what happened inside the Oval Office that changed everything? Let's break it down for you. According to fresh reports, Donald Trump wasn't expected to approve another military strike that day. In fact, the focus inside the White House was still on one big question. Could diplomacy be given a second chance? But then came an urgent Oval Office briefing. America's top military commanders, intelligence officials, and national security advisors reportedly walked in with fresh satellite imagery, intelligence intercepts, and battlefield assessments. And what they showed the president changed the entire conversation. The intelligence briefing painted a far more serious picture than many inside the White House had anticipated. Officials concluded that the attacks in the Strait of Hormuz were no longer isolated incidents, but part of a broader escalation. That's when Trump looked around the room and asked a simple question. Do you still think Iran wants a deal? The room fell silent and officials made it clear with a big no. And that single answer appears to have changed everything. Within moments, the discussion reportedly shifted away from diplomacy to kinetic option. Instead of talking about negotiations, officials were now discussing potential targets. Instead of trying to preserve the ceasefire, they were preparing for another round of strikes. And for the White House, the calculation had changed. For Washington, the stakes had suddenly become much bigger. The fear was that failing to respond would send the wrong message, not just to Iran, but to anyone willing to disrupt global shipping. That's because the Strait of Hormuz isn't just another waterway. It is one of the world's busiest energy corridors with a significant share of global oil and LNG shipments passing through it every single day. Any disruption there doesn't just affect the Middle East. It can impact fuel prices, shipping costs, and economies around the world. Anyways, let's get back to the Oval meeting. So Trump had heard the intelligence, weighed the options, and made his choice. As the meeting drew to a close, he approved fresh strikes on Iranian military infrastructure. And just like that, the diplomatic track that had survived weeks of tension appeared to give way to military action once again. Now, whether those strikes actually deter Iran is the question world leaders are asking today. Iran has rejected the accusations and insists it wasn't responsible for violating the ceasefire. Washington, meanwhile, maintains that the attacks left it with very few options. And that's what makes this story so significant. Sometimes history doesn't change because of a speech or a summit. Sometimes it changes because of one intelligence briefing, one question, and one decision made behind closed doors. For now, diplomacy has taken a backseat and military action is once again driving the conversation. What happens next won't just determine the future of US-Iran relations, but could have consequences for the entire Middle East and the global economy. And that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I am Tamanna Akhtar signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this space for more such videos.